spending $100 to fill up your gas tank has you feeling blue? The HeyBike Mars foldable bike is for you. Stick around while we unbox this. Hey guys, I'm Devin Howard, on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Today we're getting into a pint-sized bike that's not only foldable, but is also motorized. Zoom past all the losers sitting in traffic on this little e-bike. Oh, and by the way, it's me. I'm losers. This foldable fat tire bike comes equipped with a 500-watt motor and a 48-volt removable battery. With 7 different speeds available, you'll be cruising along on those 4-inch wide puncture-resistant tires. So let's get into it. It's time to unbox this. We've unboxed several e-bikes on this channel, and they're always a little bit of a doozy, so let's get right into it. A full body unboxing experience right now. Okay, so the first thing out of the box is the bike seat. I am struggling to get this out of the box, so I'm gonna call on my good friend Nico to come help me. Hey, Sneaky Neeks! You made it in here. Nice.
There we go.
Alright, so we got the bike out of the box and on the table, but as you can see, Nico, there's still a lot that needs to be done, so do you want to help me out?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Let's start tearing this off. This up a little bit.
Not too much. Good thing I was planning on going to the gym later. I can just go home instead.
Yeah, same. Yeah, let's stand it up. We'll get to the other side. Thanks for holding it down.
You're doing all the work. I'm just the fan guy.
Okay, so now that we have all of the foam and packing materials off of this bike, it's time to unbox this little guy. Nico, thanks for your help.
No problem.
I'll see you later.
Yeah.
Okay, so right here we have the pedals. Now the one thing about the HeyBike Mars foldable bike is that installation and setup is pretty simple, so everything here is not going to be very difficult to put on. So here we have these pedals. This is your battery charger, and here we have your power cord. And then in this bag here, you have a bunch of wrenches and Allen keys to help you put everything together. So that's actually what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna set this bike all up, and then I'm gonna tell you what makes it so special. Okay, you guys, we have the bike out of the box and it's all set up and it looks great. I can tell that it has a lot of power to it, but we have to start off by talking about the foldable design. If you've hesitated buying a bike because you just don't feel like you have the space for it, this is your solution. You can throw this in the trunk of your car, you can stow it away in a closet really easily. The space-saving nature of this bike makes it easy to store even if you live in a small space. Even with its compact design though, you still get epic performance. Now, these 4-inch fat tires are puncture resistant and they're super durable. Whether you're biking down rocky roads or on sandy terrain or through snow or on concrete, these dual suspension tires will keep your ride smooth. The dual shock absorber makes you feel super comfy during your journey, no matter how far or long you're riding. You can customize your ride with 3 riding modes and 7 different speeds. Whether you're riding uphill or downhill, you'll be able to hit top speeds by cycling through those 7 different modes. Dual disc brakes help you stop quickly and safely. The light also helps keep you visible if you're riding in the dark. So let's get into how this guy gets its power. The 500-watt brushless gear motor and 48-volt lithium battery help you reach top speeds of 20 miles per hour. You get 37 miles per charge if you're riding all electric and 48 miles per charge if you're using pedal assist. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's take it for a spin. you plan on off-roading or you just want to freshen up your commute, the HeyBike Mars electric foldable bike will get you where you want to go safely and quickly. Check the link in the description if you want to try it out for yourself. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye, guys.